Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Jason Choo. I'm the Chief Examiner and Lecturer for BFF1001 and this is my welcome address to you, the students, to help you get started in the unit. Typically, you get started by reading the unit content.
Welcome back everyone to another exciting workshop interactive video. This week's topic is going to be on an introduction to financial mathematics, and that's why I'm so excited. This is the stuff that really...
Next, we're going to talk about something that's very different about property, which is the supply curve for property. Okay, now why is the supply curve for property so different? It's because unlike other assets which are produced and then consumed, you don't really consume property in the same way, right?
Would you look at the time? Time for BFF1001 Foundations in Finance. Welcome back. I'm still Michael and this is still your interactive workshop video. This week we'll be extending that sort of core fundamental background in financial mathematics.
Hello again everybody. Welcome to the third part of your orientation program, the interactive introduction to what is finance. We assume that you may not study finance again, and therefore we want to maximize your financial literacy in the real world context as much as possible. So let's get started
For the questions that we're about to go through later on today. All right, so let's have a look at...
Take your time, work away at it, see if you can get an answer down, and if you don't get the right one, don't stress it. We'll go through it together in a moment. Alright, so to execute the answer for this one, I'm just going to walk this. Enter 100 into our PMT, followed by entering 260 into our N, and 1.5 into our I. Remember, representing that percentage as 1.5%, entering it into I. Then we ask for the PV.
Can anyone in the chat, or even unmute your microphone, that would be even better, discuss with me right now, what is a government bond in finance? What does it represent? What does it mean? Does anyone want to unmute and have a chat about that? Anyone feeling confident? I feel like you can.
Is it sort of like an asset in which the government sells a bond to an individual or perhaps like another entity as sort of a loan of sorts, and they guarantee a particular...